In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Affirm virtual card in store. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is a process that is best done through the latest version of the mobile app. So open up the Affirm mobile app, and in there, at the home screen, you will be able to look through the stores if you wish. If you don't know which specific store you want to shop in, or you cannot find it from the list, that's okay. All you have to do after using the search function is to select the Pay Later at Any Store option. As you can see, when you search for any store, you will be able to select Pay with a one-time use virtual card at the top of the search results. Select this option and you will be prompted to include the amount that you want to spend. In here, it's very important that you include the exact amount that you wish to spend, or maybe an approximate. Be sure to include the tax and the shipping costs if applicable. Once you select Continue, Affirm will perform a check to see if you are eligible for the card. If everything looks in order, you will be given the card with the amount specified. As you can see, you will be able to note down all the details, or if you wish and you have access to a digital wallet, click Save to your phone at the bottom of the screen. You will then be able to add this card to something like Google Play, Pay, or Apple Wallet. Alternatively, you can present the card number, expiration date, and the code. As long as you generate this card and add it to a digital wallet or use its credentials, you will be able to use your Affirm virtual card in store. I hope I was able to help you on how to use the Affirm virtual card in store. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.